All right. Oh yeah. Okay. I can share my screen. All right. Okay. And then okay. So since I'm sharing a document, let's see how that works. Okay. And it doesn't. It's okay. The document doesn't show slideshow. Okay. So I'm not doing it in a slideshow. Now, is this readable? Is this readable for you guys?
It
It's
is.
It
yes.
is.
Mhm.
Okay, so what I want to talk to you about is how to value your voice at 9.97 an hour. Okay, and the reason why I'm going to say 9.97 an hour is because every one of you in here have invested $997 into coaching. You've invested $997 into somebody's program. You've invested $997 into a program. And if you've invested $997, then I'm gonna share my screen. I'm coming back. If you've invested $997 an hour, guess what? You guess if you've invested $997 an hour, you can get paid $997. Okay, and you don't have to struggle and have this conflict going on. All right. Now, how to value your voice? Okay, too many people give away their wealth without knowing what they're doing. I've been so guilty of this, guys, so guilty, and it's not easy to overcome it. Too many people give away their wealth without knowing. This tool is designated to make you more aware of the value of your voice and your intellectual property. Part one indicates various activities in which you engage that could be wealth generating if properly acknowledged and labeled. Part two provides a sample professional courtesy invoice for a client. The invoice indicates billing for 1 hour of my time, which is valued at $9.97, and that's $16.62 per minute. Okay. Now, let's go on. I'm going to proceed with this document. Okay. I got another one. All right. Now, you'll get the replay on this. And if I were you, I would study it. Revenue generating activities to consider. Telephone communications. Oftentimes we overlook this. Group calls, accountability calls, client care calls, any phone conversation is taking up your time. This is a billable activity of your time. Colleague support, information soliciting calls. People say, I want to pick your brain. Texting, all of that is valuable time. Okay, that's one. Number two, email communications. All right, if you think about all the emails you got, all the emails you have to respond to, that's your time. Okay, responding to emails, writing references, that's your time. How about social media influence activities? All right, okay, so you've been on social media for 5 years, 10 years. You got 50,000 followers, okay, and somebody wants you to post their interview on your site. Somebody wants you to share what they put up on your site. Somebody wants to tag you on your site. Does that have value? Answer is yes, that has value. You've built a platform. So preparing and sending the marketing emails, posting blogs. Does a blog have value? Yes, indeed. Preparing, delivering podcasts, all of that has value. Okay. So we're looking at what? Here are three big areas: the telephone, emails, and social media. Okay. Telephone, email, social media. Okay. Okay, that's one big block. How about virtual training and consulting? You do these webinars, you do these podcasts, you do these events, and you got to create that stuff. You got to take time to put it together. Is that valuable? You better believe it is. How about human resources related research? When you are writing notes and writing things down and you're thinking about a client, that's billable. Okay. Communicating, three-way conversations with clients. All of this is billable time, folks. All right, let's go on. You say, well, okay, let me just slow down a little bit here. Here's the deal. Most of us don't track our time enough to know how valuable it is. Most don't track our time enough. Over the last 3 months over the last, since the first quarter, I have a red book that I track all my time every day. All my time I'm tracking, I'm writing things down. I manually write down, and it has changed my life. And I was on this phone with one attorney, and he says, man, that's going to be 4 hours. And just the way he said it, well, that's a whole lot of my time. It was like chilling, right? And I was like, oh, that guy got it. He got it. All right, let's go a little further. Now, if you want to show people how to really value your time, do this. Send them a professional courtesy invoice. You say, what is a professional courtesy invoice? And I encourage you all to do this. Okay, you put your name of your company up there. You'll put invoice, and you'll put your name. 997 Abundance Avenue, Wealth USA, Bill 2, future client. I mean, many of us will probably have a problem. I won't say a problem. It might not be easy for you to tell somebody it's $9.97 an hour, but you need to tell them, right? And when you first tell them, you just want to show them what you did for them. You might be doing it pro bono or free, but do it and then show them coaching, 30 minutes, $498, phone calls, $249, 15 minutes. And when you take the time to create this kind of invoice and you send it to 2 or 3 people, they're going to tell all their friends that you are at $997 an hour, and you create this invoice and you send it to them. Okay. Future client, how to value yourself coaching. Then you go here and you put potential client, and then you describe it right here. I challenge all of you all. This is your homework. Create your own template so that when you get on the call with somebody and you do a pro bono call or you do an intake call and that person really get value and they like, ooh, that was awesome. Then you tell them at the end of the call, now I'm going to send you an invoice. It's going to be a professional courtesy invoice, and I'm going to really bless you. I'm going to help you. And they're going to say, okay. And then you email them this invoice and show that your 15 minutes or your 30 minutes or your hour with them was a $997 service to them. Most people don't know how to value themselves and how to teach their clients to value themselves at a high level. All right. So you put this down here, phone call, put the date down there, email, put the date, social media. If you like or comment on their post, put it down there. If you did a video training, put it down here and told them $997 an hour. And then watch this. And you say amount due is 0. I challenge every one of you. If you want to change your world, start doing that right there. You want to be a coach, the value of your time at a minimum of $997 an hour, it will change your life, your world, and everybody around you. Okay. All right. And that's that first part of this training right here today. Okay. That's part 1. All right. Now, before I'm gonna go to part 1. I hope y'all taking notes. I'm gonna go to part 2 now. I got a second part here that I want to teach. Okay, so let's just stay with the program here, and then I'm gonna get y'all feedback here in just a smidgen, just a little bit. I want to show you something else that's in this training. All right, now the challenge is sometimes we may not know what this look like, or how would this look? How would this really break down if I were to actually do this? How would this look if I was actually to be doing this? All right. So I want to pull that training up and oh, yep, here it is right here. All right. Awesome. I was fumbling around there for a little bit and like, where is it? Okay. All right. I got it. I found it. Okay. Now, so I'll share my screen again. And it's going to have it up. And then we're going to talk about it. Okay. I think it's this right here. Yes. Okay, here it is right here. Now, look at this right here. All right. Now, I want you to see this. And if you get this down, it's going to change your life. Bestseller building blocks. Okay. And the reason I call it the best-selling building block is because once you help somebody become a best-selling author, you need to let them know that that's just the beginning of the journey. Let me say that again. Once you help somebody become a best-selling author, you need to let them know that's just the beginning of the journey. I'm going to say that for the people in the back of the room. Once you help somebody become a best-selling author, you got to let them know that that's just the beginning of the journey. So now I'm going to show you the building blocks. And when you show somebody the building blocks, Now you're showing them what they're going to have to do to build this brand and to build this business. Okay. And if they want to go further, most people want this to be like instant. It's not going to be instant. It can be once you get these things down that I'm teaching you. This is the intake to income call, and I'm showing you how to have $5,000 months. You can have a $5,000 month by selling one person a $5,000 product every month. And when you get your mind right and you get your belief right and you get the understanding how to talk right, you can sell people at $5,000 a month. You get somebody, they'll buy your bestseller program, they'll pay you $9.97. And then after you show them that you can help them get the result that they're wanting, then they're going to move to your $5,000 program. Why? Because they know you can help them. Now, let me show you something here. Many people want to start a business or take the existing business to another level. However, they don't know how to start, where to start, or to whom to consult. And let me just say this. The most expensive thing you ever pay is attention to the wrong people. And that sometimes can be paying attention to yourself. Okay, they pay a lot of money for subpar coaching from someone who has limited experience, who has no credentials, who lack a proven record of getting results, who may never have invested in their own business or personal development growth. Okay, you just got to invest in yourself, y'all. And I can tell y'all now, and I've helped a lot of people do well. And okay, let me just keep going. One of the best ways to start or elevate your business is to create, publish, and market a book. Now, this right here is marketing. Marketing, not just the book, but your brand and your business. Becoming a best-selling author provides a transformational foundation that opens the doors to unlimited entrepreneurial possibilities. Therefore, the smartest thing a purpose-driven person can do is write a book, believe in that message, share that message to a best-selling book, and then build a brand and grow the business. How are you going to do it? Number one, here it is right here, step by step. A lot of people have followed this method, and a lot of people have done extremely well with this method. Number one, you come out with your ebook. Number two, you come up with your paperback book. Now look at these numbers. If you put an ebook out at 99 cents and you sell 300, that's $300. That'll get you a donut and a cup of coffee. Okay, so now you got a paperback book, okay, and you sell 20 of them books, and if you sell at 500, most people don't sell about 250. That'll get you $10,000. That'll pay the house note for 2 or 3 months, maybe, right? All right. Now, but if you really want to get into money, why don't every one of you in here create a course? What kind of course am I going to create, Dr. Fred? You're going to create a course based on your best ability. You're going to create a course based on the thing that you talk to that people want. If you put 30 people in your course at $2,000, you got $60,000. If you put 30 people in a course at $5,000, you got $150,000. And there's the game right there, okay? It's just that simple, all right? Now, let's go down a little further. I think that might be the end of this page, all right? Now, that's it right there. Now, what I want to do is I want to show one more thing. I want to do one more thing. There's one more thing I want to put into this training, and then I'm going to close out this training, but I got to show you this, okay? And when I show you this, then we're going this going to bring home the bacon. It's going to fry it up in a pan. This is going to show you that you can, okay? When I show you this, this is going to do it. And some of you all have seen me share this several times, and I'm going to say it over and over and over again, because guess what? Repetition is the mother of learning. One more time. Repetition is the mother of learning. A lot of people think, well, I done heard that before. You ain't heard it if you ain't doing it. You ain't heard it if you ain't believing it. You ain't heard it if it ain't got in your spirit. You got to get this in your spirit. Come on now. I felt that right there. You see what I'm saying? You got to get this in your spirit. And you know what you got to get in your spirit? Your value. You got to get your value in your spirit. How valuable are you? How valuable are you? How valuable are you? You need to hear somebody say that every day, 3 times a day. How valuable are you? Because we have so much stuff pushing us down. We have so much stuff pushing us back. I was out on the scene today, and let me just give you a personal story. Okay, now watch this. Stories sell, facts tell. So write that down. So when you're talking, you need to always tell stories. Stories sell, facts tell. Facts just tell you stuff. Stories sell. Now listen to this story. So I'm on the site today. I'm out here with all these lawyers from Nissan, Infinity, I'm naming State Farm and the big old law firm and all these investigators, and I was only flying the buttermilk. And then on these things, sometimes people don't be so friendly. They don't be out there like sharing information, hugging you, talking about kumbaya, hello, ha ha ha. No, it's just business, right? Y'all been there. All of y'all done been there, right? So I knew how valuable I was, and I had to lean into my value. So you know what I did? I said, I don't believe I introduced myself to you yesterday. Hi, I'm Fred Jones. I'm Louise's brother. And this is what, and this is to the other company over there. And I'm so and so. I was, I went in. I told him I'm a brother. And I'm here. And I shook the other fellow's hand, and they were on the other side. When I say the other side, they were opposing side. And I'm like, okay. And I say, you got to do what you got to do. I'm got to do what we got to do. I say, we just want to know the truth, right? And I just leaned in. Was it comfortable? No. Was it easy? Not. It wasn't really hard, but it wasn't comfortable. Okay, now here's the deal. I want every one of y'all to look at this chart. I want every one of y'all to work this chart. Dr. Smollett came to me, written a book, published a book, became a bestseller. That's all of y'all, right? And then she said, Dr. Fred, this woman wants me to teach her one chapter in my book. She said, but I don't have a course. I said, what? Why don't you have a course? I said, well, how long would it take you to create one? She said, I can put the course together. I said, how long would it take you to create 6 modules, 6 videos, and 6 worksheets? And by the way, it don't have to be 6. It can be 3. It can be 1 module. So you can do a 3-part training. She said, I can do that in 24 hours. I want y'all to understand this right here. She created a course in 24 hours. The woman paid her $3,600. If you divide that by 24 and taught one person your best teaching, that is $150 an hour. Now, that's just one person. How many times would you have to create that course, Bray? One. Every one of you can put 10 people in a course, right? Everyone. If she put 10 in that course, that's $36,000. Divide that by 24, that's $1,500 an hour. If you build a good course, how to write your book and overcome grief, how to write your book and become a notary, how to write your book and rediscover your purpose, okay? Or the Coach Grimes, what is your brand?
The totality of wellness.
How to be totally well. The totality of wellness. And I'm going to give you 5 steps to be well every day. If all of you, how to smile and be happy, joy, I got you up there, Coach Livingston. If you put 30 people in a class at $3,600, that's $108,000. Folks, that's $4,500 an hour. There's no limit to how far you can go with this module here. I started off by telling you $997 an hour. Just put one client and they pay you $997. You see the formula? There it is right there in living color, black and white. Okay? That's how you can value your voice at $997 an hour and create the life and business of your dreams. Why live your life any other way? I'm Dr. Fred Jones. I approve this commercial. Like, subscribe, and tell all your neighbors and enemies if you want to help them do better. All right. Now, that concludes that teaching. So now I'm trying to figure out how to stop the video. There we go. Stop the video. I want to stop the recording. All right.